we are still there. As close as possible to the near the enemy lines, women have moved there, proving their potential. First thing first, I'm the one who signed up for it. Okay? I was the one who stepped forward. Indian Army didn't come knocking at my door and say, hey, we need you. I'm going into a profession where 96% are men, and at times you may be the only women in the entire unit. So when I've decided I'm going to come in a male-dominated, if we say, profession, I would have to be ready, firstly, to prove my worth, to tell the people that I know my job, I know my skills, I know the men whom I'm going to command. These are the leadership qualities I hold, and you would have to judge me based on that. I will not have a cocoon around me saying that I am a woman and these are my certain limitations. There is no limitation to my intellectual ability, to what I can bring as on the table with respect to my skills as a leader maybe, or certain skills like flying an aircraft.
How have you managed your personal challenges or, losses, difficult times?
There will be people who will be pulling you down. At times it happens that maybe your family is not aligned to your goals.
Women often hesitate to take up jobs or step out because of their fear of their safety concerns.
More than self-defense, being situationally aware in our environment is very important.
So women who report any kind of harassment or safety concerns, they often face backlash, be it at their workplaces or from their families or even society.
Where can a woman feel safe? If not in a home, not in an office, then where?
What do you think that we should enable our men with to make them allies in the fight for women's safety?
More than the men, I feel the boys. This lot is to be educated completely, to understand that she is equally educated, same intellectual level है उनका भी, आपकी तरह equally काम कर सकते हैं. People keep saying behind a successful man there is a woman, is the other way around in my life.
And I definitely believe that in this journey of women elevation, men play an equally important role, because they can be your true allies, they can be your comrades.